Hi guys, so now we are at our second destination, which is Kreta Ayer Community Club. So
what
Grace,
are you doing here? Okay, here's quest 2 and quest 3. Here we go.
Open it up.
Quest 2?
What's quest
Dance
two?
to any TikTok song and film it, but I cannot dance. Quest 3 is find me. Okay, this one I can do, but where to though?
okay, so this is where Kreta Ayer Heritage Gallery is, and it will be where you get back to your roots on Chinese history and culture.
I see.
So without further ado, let's go!
This is apparently a
What's that?
costume worn by a male general during a battle scene in an opera. And that is for the female.
Okay, let's go check it out. Wow, it's really very pretty. More enthusiasm, come on!
Welcome to the Perfect Show by Zhen Hang and Grace.
So now Lily is done with all her quests. Jin, Grace, do it.
Oh my god!
We will see you at the next location. Bye bye!